Hello and welcome. I just want to go through a few things that I've noticed with my analytics, particularly with my YouTube shorts. And this is one of them that I posted last week, and it's got over 1,600 views. Normally, the majority of the time, I'd share my videos on Facebook or some other websites. Some of them I don't, and this is one that I didn't, and just let it do its own thing. And I was very surprised with the results. It got over 1,600 views, and it's just a week. It's just a week old. So I'm just in my analytics here, and this is just YouTube congratulating you. Great job. Views are 4.8 times higher than other shorts, and your shorts got shared more. Yes, other people shared them. So the reach, I'll just show you now as well. So shown in feed, it was shown 4.8k times by YouTube, and how many chose to view. That's just more analytics. And I'll just go into the engagement now. This is where it really helped. So it was an 11-second video, and it got like for 1,600 over 1,600 views. This is the watch time in hours. This is a calculation of how many hours it totted up to be. So it's 4 hours and 4.8 hours, which is it sounds a bit mad, but this is what really helped here. 10 seconds. Now it was 11 seconds long of a video, so the majority of the video was viewed, plus 16 people hit the like button. That tells YouTube that people did like the video, they found it useful, and the fact that they watched nearly it all. So I'll just go into the, where is the, wait, and we see, this is it here, bang on. So average view duration, 10 seconds, average percentage viewed 90%. So if you can get your videos up to 90% viewed, and people hit the like button, find them interesting, then things will greatly improve on your YouTube shorts. That's what I've noticed. Now, some of my YouTube shorts are getting around 300-400 views as well, without sharing them on any other platform. I'm just letting the algorithm do its thing. Others getting very few views, some of them flop. But what I've noticed about the YouTube shorts especially, is that if you are short and to the point, 11-12 seconds max, 1 or 2 sentences, put in your tags, put in a short description of 3 lines, and use text like I have here, say US stock exchanges closed when, ask a question that will only be answered in the video itself. Now, I hope these things have helped. They are. I'm only figuring this out, and in the last while, but it really has helped. And I've noticed another one of my other videos as well. I'll just go into, and I only posted this one last night. Now, I did share this one on Facebook with friends as well. So I only put this up yesterday, and it's got 897 views, and great job. Views are 2.4 times higher than other shorts, and your shorts got shared more. So the reach, and I got 2 subscribers as well from this short, which I'm very grateful for, and thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So it 3.3k times shown in the feeds. That's the amount of times YouTube showed it, and 897 views, 517 more than usual. I think it got about 5 likes, but YouTube did really start pushing it out. 29.8%. How many chose to view out of 70 swiped away? That's fair enough. Engagement. Now this is the biggest part of, so this has already got 3.4 hours of watch time. So 1.4 more than usual. And the retention, because this was only put up yesterday, there's no audience retention, and it's still growing. So these are the things I've noticed now in the last while. Short, 1 to 2 lines, give useful information that people are interested in, not just random stuff, which I used to do before, and that's why they didn't do well. But I've noticed with my long form content, people are dropping off. Maybe they're not sticking around for 80-90%, that's for sure. And then if they're not hitting the like button, the video just dies. So I hope this has helped. I've noticed this with my YouTube shorts in the last few weeks. Even if I don't share them on other platforms, they're actually improving. And the text as well here, I think putting text here on the video text here and maybe a little logo or something like that. It just makes it a little bit more catchy. I hope these few things helped, and just let me know how you find with YouTube Shorts. I'm getting way more views on my YouTube Shorts than my long form content, but that's just the way it goes.